Hey, what's up everybody? This is your boy Big Murph. I'm back again with another project today. I picked me up a little Honda lawnmower for free yesterday. This is a HRT216 model, and the guy basically gave it to me for free. Had it in his garage for a couple of years and tried to start it and it just wouldn't kick over. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do an oil change on this. Pretty sure the oil has never been changed on this before. We can go ahead and start by checking the oil. Here's the oil fill tube. Simply just unscrew this little thingy here, and you can see the dipstick. And yeah, let me go and show you guys here how that looks like. Let's try to zoom in here on this. This is going to be kind of tough. There you go. Yeah, it's pretty dark there. So, according to what I've read on the owner's manual on Google, this takes about 13 ounces of oil. Now, I got a neat little trick of how I'm going to do this oil change here. So basically what I did was I took a measuring cup that I use, for cooking, and I basically took an empty water bottle, and I measured out how much 13 ounces of fluid would be, and I marked it on a water bottle here, as you can see. Now, what I've also done was I marked a 10 ounce mark, because what I'm going to do to this motor is I'm going to add some of this Marvel Mystery Oil, and they recommend to replace anywhere from about 10 to 25% of your engine's oil with this Marvel Mystery Oil. So I'm going to do about 20 to 25% of the entire capacity, which is 13 ounces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill 10 ounces of oil, and then the remaining 3 ounces of this Marvel Mystery Oil right here. Now, to capture the dirty and old oil, went ahead and took a water bottle here, and I cut the top up. So basically, just going to stick it right there and tilt the whole thing over and get all the old oil inside of here, which I can then go ahead and recycle. Go ahead and do that. Let me get a towel really quick here for you. Some old dirty rags here we can just stick over here. So, just tilt the whole damn thing over. There you go. Wow. This is just filthy, you guys, I can't understand how people can forget that an engine needs oil to run. Alright, so there's the old oil there. Okay. Go and set that aside. Okay. Now let's go ahead and measure out the new oil and the Marble Mystery additive I'm going to put in there. Oh, you also want to be sure you dry up this water bottle. You don't want any water in here. So what I did was I stuck a little towel and I used a chopstick to basically dry the insides out. Okay, so here we're going to measure out the oil. Let's start by pouring that in here. Okay, so I got my 13 ounces here total measured out. I got 10 ounces of oil and 3 ounces of this additive in here. And basically we're going to pour this inside. Okay, now get my rag again. Get out the way real quick. before I add the entire bottle, I want to check with the dipstick to see where I'm at, because it's better to add less than add more at this point. Because if you add too much, then you gotta pour it back out, so it's more work for me. So let's go and see where we're at with that. You simply just stick the dipstick in it, but don't screw it in, they say. Just stick it in, I guess, and then take it back out. So you can see there, I'm like right about here. So I need to add a little more. I think we're good. I'm gonna leave it as that. Okay, so that's basically the oil change part.